I personally have 4 pieces of dark chocolate every night. If you want to anti-age and reduce your inflammation in just 7 days, my husband started calling me baby soft cheeks. Today, we're talking about anti-aging. This is the biggest secret weapon used by all your favorite celebrities. They are masters at this. And you don't have to wait till your 30s and 40s to start using these principles. You need to start now. If you want to look younger, feel better, and glow from the inside, you need to understand a few things about your diet. And it's not just textbook principles like drink more water and eat your fruit, but it's actually diving into the science of this to understand the best solution that works for you. So now let's get comfortable because I want to have some real talk with you. I personally used to struggle with these fine lines and wrinkles on my forehead because I was perpetually stressed. And while I'm saying that your diet can fix things, if you're stressed and frowning all the time, even Botox cannot fix that. So let's definitely work on our stress. Now, before we talk about what to eat, let's understand what's making you age faster in the first place. Science has identified 3 biochemical processes that accelerate aging. The first is glycation. When you eat excessive sugar, your body goes through this process called glycation, where the sugar molecules attach themselves to proteins like collagen and elastin, which is the building blocks of firm, youthful skin. This creates something known as advanced glycation end products, which leads to sagging, wrinkles, and dull skin. The worst culprits of this are processed sugar, refined carbs, and deep fried foods. The second process is oxidative stress. Every day, our body is exposed to oxidative stress, a process where unstable molecules called free radicals damage our cells. These free radicals attack our DNA, collagen, and skin cells, leading to premature wrinkles, age spots, and inflammation. Some of the worst culprits of this are pollution, UV exposure, smoking, alcohol, and processed foods. Some ingredients to watch out for in your processed foods include hydrogenated oils, MSG, and my absolute favorite, modified cornstarch. Everyone thinks it's modified so it's healthier, but if you eat this, it's actually like releasing sugar bombs in your body. The third one is chronic inflammation. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury. But when it becomes chronic, it accelerates aging at a cellular level. Chronic inflammation increases pro-inflammatory cytokines, which breaks down collagen, accelerates muscle loss, and increases belly fat storage. Some of the worst culprits of this are deep fried food, processed vegetable oils, alcohol, and even stress. Now let's get into the real anti-aging foods and why they work. Antioxidant-rich foods. They fight the oxidative stress and prevent your skin cells from any damage. Vitamin E rich foods, which is present in almonds, sunflower seeds, and avocados, and polyphenols, which is present in blueberries, green tea, and dark chocolate. I personally have 4 pieces of dark chocolate every night. The second is healthy fats, which basically is your skin's moisturizer. After eating it for a month daily, my husband started calling me baby soft cheeks. So there are 2 really good sources of healthy fats. One is omega-3 fatty acids, which is present in salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts. I'm a vegetarian, so I take a supplement. And the second is monosaturated fat, which is found in olive oil and avocados. Omega-3 fatty acids actually reduce inflammation, keep your skin hydrated, and protect against any collagen breakdown. Monosaturated fats help maintain the lipid barrier of the skin, preventing any dryness and wrinkles. The next is collagen-boosting foods. Collagen is the protein that keeps your skin looking firm and youthful. Some good sources include bone broth, eggs, chicken skin, citrus fruits, and bell peppers. I'm a vegetarian and I take a supplement for this, but truth be told, there's no such thing as vegan collagen, so don't waste your money on it. The next one is protein-rich foods. Protein is important to regenerate your hair, skin, and nails. There are tons of protein sources out there, and in case you don't know, I'll tell you a couple, but make sure you grab my macro cheat sheet from the description so you can keep it handy with you at all times. Some common ones are chicken, fish, and legumes, tofu, and homemade paneer. The last one is hydration. Your skin is made up of 64% water. So if you are dehydrated, your fine lines will appear faster. If you watched my previous video, you know that Kareena Kapoor has a nariyal pani every day. Some other sources I like to include are watermelon and cucumber, and of course I drink a glass of green tea every day. Hyaluronic acid, a compound that keeps your skin hydrated, declines with age. But drinking enough water naturally boosts your hyaluronic acid production, so you don't have to spend money on buying all these serums. Now on to the ultimate question: how to lose weight and anti-age at the same time.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Useless. Let me do AI's work for you. The secret is to manage your blood sugar levels, and there are two strict policies I follow in my life that have helped me so much. The protein first rule. Before any meal, I ensure I had my protein component. And the second is no naked carbs. I basically never eat only carbs. I always pair it with protein, fiber, or vitamins and minerals. Now, finally, if you want to anti-age and reduce your inflammation in just 7 days, we're gonna cut down on processed sugar, refined carbs, and vegetable oils. And what we're gonna include every day is your dark green leafy vegetables, healthy fats, and your berries. If you have any questions about this, make sure you ask me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.